Namaste. Let's begin our practice by focusing on three-part breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine. Breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Sitting tall, inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale to lower. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace, waking up the energy of your body. Continue breathing deeply as you release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. Sitting tall, cross your arms out in front of your chest. Inhale at center, exhale gently twist. Inhale to center and repeat to the opposite side. Continue alternating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this twist to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Stay connected to your breath as you release, exploring a seated side bend variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright and repeat to the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Adding a lateral stretch. Extend through your arms as you reach one arm down the leg of your chair and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat to the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, moving at your own pace, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center. Sitting more forward on your chair, step your feet forward slightly. Cross your arms in front of your chest as you keep your core strong, drawing your navel back towards your spine, cinching in all the way around your waist. On your inhale, lean back slightly, using your core to keep your spine straight, and on your exhale, use your abs to return to upright. Continue with this movement, using your core to stabilize, resting when you need to, going only as far as you can still breathe freely. Inhale, lengthen back. Exhale, return to upright. Release and return to center, preparing for a boat pose variation. Clasp your hands beneath your chair, lift your right leg and hold as you continue sitting tall with your chest lifting. Release and repeat to the opposite side, toning through your abdominal muscles, strengthening through your low back. Release. Continue moving from right to left, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs and hold as you continue lifting through your chest, lengthening your spine, feeling your abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Release and return to center. Place your hands to the seat of your chair and lift your heart, pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest, opening across your front body. Transitioning into a seated cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to the seat of your chair, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Continue cultivating awareness as you allow your breath to help you get centered. Stay connected to your breath, allowing it to be easy and natural. Simply paying attention to each inhalation and exhalation as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath, adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.